Hi! To fix one earbud not working on your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5, we have a few ways to do. The first way is that there is a chance that only one earbud is discharged. So you can try putting both of the earbuds inside the case, then close the case and put it on a charge for at least 10 minutes. And if after that action that one earbud is still not working, now we can try a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, we would need to open the case and then hold this button until this indicator will firstly blink fastly and then blink slowly. When it's blinking slowly, it means that the factory reset has been successful. So let's hold this button. Now we can see that it's blinking fast. And now we can release our finger because the factory reset has been successfully done. As a next step now, we would need to turn off and then turn on the Bluetooth settings to find our earbuds in here. And here they are, Redmi Buds 5. You would need to reconnect to them because after a factory reset, the earbuds won't remember your old connection with this phone. So we click pair and this is it. We have performed a factory reset, after which the not working earbud should work again. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.